If you've ever wondered how to achieve a sharp jawline as a guy fast, you're in the perfect place. Stay tuned as we provide practical exercises and strategies that can improve your facial shape. Having a strong jawline can boost your overall image, glowing confidence, and masculinity. It can make you look more masculine and leave a lasting impression. But obtaining that chiseled look needs more than just genetics. Now let's talk about how you can achieve the defined jawline you've always wanted. Tip number 1, facial exercises. Exercises for the face are a good technique to obtain a sharp jawline. Here are some exercises you might want to try. Chin lifts. Lean your head back while lifting your chin upward. Hold for a short while, then do it again. Neck rotations. Slowly turn your neck in both the clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Your jawline supporting muscles are strengthened by doing this workout. Tip number 2, pro tips for grooming. Your jawline will be highlighted to a great extent by proper grooming. Consider these grooming tips. Facial hairstyling. Try out various beard cuts that complement your face shape. Your jawline can be more clearly defined with a well-kept beard. Proper shaving methods. Pay attention to how you shave. To prevent irritation and ingrown hairs, use a sharp razor and shave in the direction of hair growth. Tip number 3, lifestyle changes. Changing certain aspects of your lifestyle might also help you get a clean jawline. Consider the following. Healthy diet. Eat a healthy diet consisting of whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables. A lot of salt and processed meals might make you bloated, so stay away from them. Hydration. To keep your skin hydrated and avoid water retention, which can alter the definition of your jawline, drink enough water each day. Regular exercise. To reduce total body fat and encourage muscular tone, including your jaw muscles, engage in frequent cardiovascular workouts and strength training. Tip number 4, maintaining consistency. It's crucial to remember that maintaining a razor-sharp jawline takes time and dedication. For visible impacts, include these strategies in your regular routine and maintain them. Since every person's body is different, the time it takes to see effects may vary. Remember, consistency and dedication are essential for seeing results. But jawline is just one part of attractiveness. If you want to max your appearance in 30 days, you want to watch this video on screen. Thank you for watching.